Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith, and I'm back with another video. Cinquanta Cox-Smith from www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Spell for me. So today I am doing an unboxing from Teelaunch. So I've been meaning to do this for the longest, okay? Just ordering some journals and stuff. It did come in just a poly mailer, you know, the regular orange. And this is the journal that I ordered. It's a spiral journal. Forgive me, I have no specs or anything. Who are you? Who raised you? Don't have any specs, but I believe this is a 5x7, and it is a spiral journal. Okay, so you guys can tell it's tiny. It's a little tiny thing, size of my hand. Okay. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So this is a print that I drew on Procreate. It's supposed to be me, like with a bun when I have my hair braided. And on the back, I just did some lines just to add some spice to it. It has like this laminated glossy cover. If you can hear that, it's like laminated. Very nice quality. You can see the glare. That's laminated on the front and the back. And of course on Teelaunch, you can only create the front and the back side, and the inside is just perforated. We love perforated paper, perforated line sheets. So I think it's about 100, maybe 70 to 100 pages, but nice quality. Let's do a bleed test. I'm gonna write my name in orange, and we're gonna do a little bleed test. So there's my name. Ooh, no bleed. Look at that. You could barely see my name. Does not bleed through. Really good paper. I'll even do it in another color. So here I'm doing it in green. And I love those markers. So there's it in green. Bam. So great quality paper. Let's go ahead and do a tear test. Let me get my... Ooh, well, I messed up the bottom, but nice edges on the perforated sheets. And of course it has the little dang-a-ling paper. But yeah, love this. Really great quality paper. Folds really nice. And I did not think this video would be this fast. But I'm just doing like this quick unboxing of a Teelaunch spiral journal. So you guys, if you want to use Teelaunch, you have to have a Shopify or an Etsy store. It's one or both. I think it's Shopify because it's only like an app. It's not like, if you wanted to integrate to something, it's not like a storefront like most print-on-demand sites. It's an actual app. So you have to connect it to your Etsy or your Shopify store to like use it. You can just go in manually, and I don't know. No, you can't go in manually. I've always only used it through my Shopify store. So that is that. I hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing of a Teelaunch spiral journal. And until next time, peace.